Cursor Fitness CBR60 recumbent bike installation. Make sure all the parts are included in your package. Step 1. Take out the tools for this step and install the front stabilizer. Put the bolts in and align the holes, then fix the bolts with a multi-wrench. Put the strap on before assembling the pedals. Check the correct side. Counterclockwise to secure the left one. Clockwise to secure the right one. Step 2. Back bracket assembly. Take out the tools for this step and install the rear stabilizer. Connect the sensor wire first before attaching the back bracket to the main body. Align the holes, then install the bolts. Unscrew the bolts before assembling the trim covers. Step 3. Cushion assembly. The bolts are all pre-installed in this step. Install the set tube first. Install the back tube and put on the knob. Now you can assemble the cushions. Make sure the holes are aligned. The knob can adjust the height. You can hear a click once it's fixed. Step 4. Back handlebar assembly. Please take out the tools for this step and the cover plate. Keep the wire away from the screw when assembling. Remember to connect the pulse wire. Step 5. Support tube assembly. You need to connect the wires first and be careful during this step. Step 6. Front handlebar assembly. Put the small cover on after tightening the screws. Check the batteries before installing the monitor. The bolts are also pre-installed. Connect the wires. Step 7. Brake lever assembly. Bolts unscrew first. Please read the safety notice and instructions in the user manual before your exercise.